Hello fellow drivers, so I'm going to quickly show you what's in your box when you purchase our MNVR live viewing camera. You'll see here that you have your 7-inch LCD with the availability to upgrade to a 10-inch. You'll have your 8 camera black box. You'll see here's the back portion of it as well as the front of your black box, showing dual slot for your SD cards, maximum of 512 using 256 gigabyte per SD card, as well as your SIM card slot. You also have your backside of your black box showing your 4 to 8 camera options, actually 3 to 8 camera options, your AV out for your monitor, your 3 ports for your GPS antenna, 4G antenna, and your Wi-Fi antenna. Next, you'll see that you do have your power cord, your Wi-Fi, GPS, 4G antenna here. You also do see that you have a set of keys to lock your black box as well as your remote. You do have some options when it comes to your camera lineup. You do have your mini camera. From left to right, you have your bar bracket camera. You also do have your aerodynamic camera as well as your heavy duty bracket camera. Behind that, you'll see you have your 4 camera cables. Each cable is able to connect to 2 cameras at one time. And then of course you do have your camera cables that you're able to select the length at your checkout. So that is everything that comes in your black box. Be sure to select your camera types with the amount of cameras you are wanting, as well as your camera length. Also able to select your amount of SD memory card. And you do have your solid hard disk drive, which you'll be able to choose from 1 terabyte up to 4 terabytes of memory at checkout as well. So that is everything that is in your box on our MNVR live streaming view camera 3 to 8 camera system. So you do have some additional accessories and camera options. This is our super night vision camera that you can purchase for an additional $25, as well as a magnet for easy installation on your camera. So those are additional accessories that you can purchase with our MNVR live viewing camera system. Thank you for watching.